Tate? Hello, look at Mom. Hi. Are you 20 months today? 20 months? Are you going to be 2 soon?
2.
Are you going to be 2? Be a big boy?
Baby.
No, not a baby. You're a big boy. What do you have on your lap? What's that? What's this? A guitar. What are you doing with the guitar? Are you doing? Are you doing it? Are you pushing the buttons? Huh? Huh? Now, why do you only have one shoe on? Tate, focus. He's looking at the TV. Focus. Why do you only have one shoe? Focus. Where's your other shoe, you silly boy? He's in his pajamas and made me put on his sock and shoe on one foot. And he's gonna walk around like that. Are you silly? Walk. Are you silly? Taters, can you say love you? Love you. Pewter. Give me a kiss. Sweet boy. Say bye-bye. What? Say bye-bye. Dada. No. Bye-bye.
Mama.
Love you. Okay, we're done with this. Bye.